DJ Natil, Joe Boy Ponte,
welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed, wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly, where I do vlog, lifestyle, and everything makeup. So today, makeup look is this right there. I was inspired by a picture on Instagram and I decided to recreate this look. If you're interested in this look, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for more of What's Popping with Chanelly767. Alright, so I already filled my brows. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base, which you'll see me use a lot. And this one is called Skin Tone. And then I'm taking my MAC flat eyeshadow brush, and this one is $1.95. Then the next thing I'm going to do, once I place my primer on my lid, I take in my Morphe brush in R33. You can see that, I'm sorry. And this is what I use to set my primer on my lid. So once I set my primer, I'm gonna take my Sacha compact powder, and this one is called Perfect Tan. And this is what I'm going to set my primer on my lid. Normally I use my setting powder in the Juvia's, and that's the only time I use it when I'm playing with color. But since I'm not going to use any color at all, I go for this one. The brush I'm using to set that with is my Juvia's 221 small complexion brush. So you see how that nice and set, so you can just put on your foundation, your face powder, your blush, your lip gloss, and that will be like your everyday look. That's basically how you set your eyes to match the rest of your face. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Juvia's gel liner in black, and I'm going to take the brush that comes with it from Juvia's. It's basically an angle brush and then a small tip brush. This is what I'm going to create my winged out eyeliner. So I'm going to come closer, guys. I cannot see anything at all, so I'm going to try. I don't know how to do that, watching the camera and the mirror. So let's see. Okay, you guys see. So after I do that, I go over with my liquid eyeliner, and this one is from Maybelline in the line Stilettos. I like my eyeliner jet black. So once I apply my gel liner, I always go over with a liquid black eyeliner just to make sure it is like jet black. Come up close again so you guys can see. Seeing how that extra black it looking, and then from this one to this one, right, that's what we're looking for, guys. Now that you have your gel liner, the next thing is to apply the glitter. You can get it at Amazon or any beauty supply store. Here in Dominica, I get this at Diamond Girls. So what I'm going to use to apply, I'm taking any lash glue, then I'm taking Q-tip, and then I spraying some setting spray on the Q-tip. The lash glue, I just applying it exactly all where I have the gel liner, and then that's what I'm going to apply it.
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
So after I apply the glitter, the next thing I'm going to apply is my mascara and my lashes. And now I'm going to prime my face with the Sacha face primer. Then I'm going to try something new. I'm going to set where I tend to sweat a lot, which is this area. So I'm going to set that area with the Lagirls Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. And this technique, basically, it absorbs the sweat. So let us see. This is the first time I'm going to try it out, so let's see if it lives up to the reputation. You can try any setting powder, but I'm trying the one from Lagirls, okay? Now I'm taking my foundation in the Revlon Color Stay in 400 Caramel, and I'm taking a JUVIASPLACE in 203 Flat Top Perfecting brush for my foundation. Then I'm going to conceal with my Lagirls in Beautiful Bronze and Cool Tan. Then I'm going to set my face with my Juvias that you see so many times.
Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina.
Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Sacha compact powder. What did I set my eyeshadow primer with? The compact powder in Perfect Tan from Sacha. Then I take in my JUVIASPLACE again in B in to contour and then for blush. Then I'm only going to use one blush today, and this is my JUVIASPLACE, and the one I'll be using is Royal One. For my highlights. And remember, always your foundation brush, you always go back with it to make sure that everything is just one. And then remember, I wanted to try the translucent powder in just this area where I sweat a lot. Oh my god, what a difference. I haven't even shine in this area so far since I applied. So I mean, I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but I mean, what a difference, y'all. And I believe any translucent powder will do, but I just pick up the LA Girl one just to see if I would recommend that, and I highly recommend it because since I applied, I haven't even shined in this area since I'm applying my makeup. So I mean, I believe go for it. You should go for it. If you shine in this area like how I shine, then I suggest that you use that technique to absorb the shine, to pull back the shine, to hold back the shine. And I haven't shined since I've been doing my makeup, and I mean, go for it. And of course, my setting spray from LA Girls. So for lips, I'm using the LA Girl in brown to line my lips. So normally if nothing working in the eyes, I have to make the lips pop. I was going to do black from the JUVIASPLACE in Dudu, and I don't know, to me it looking too much like goth looking, so I go with like a brown one just to tone it down in Yoko from JUVIASPLACE. It's like this. Just to tone it down a little bit. Yeah, I'll go with that one. I still think it's goth. I think I'll for that purple just to put in the inner and just like blend out in Moro from Juvia's Place.
Sports, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so thin, say it again, so thin. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
I like it. Guys, you like it? I love it. Oh wow. I like it. Then I'm good. Oh my god, I have so much I have so much working on my lips right now. But I think I deserve like a little shine. Like I told you, I love shine. So in the metallic from Juvia's Place in Moro. So that same lipstick. So that's the matte and that's the metallic. So I'm just gonna go over that just to see. Yeah. I mean, yeah. And then that same brush and blend it, you know. Yeah, guys. Oh my god. Just need a few dots and then you blend everything. Yes, I promise. That's all. That is all for the lips. All right.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in.